DaVinci for beginners. So easy. Today I'm going to teach you how to transform your shaky camera footage into a smooth and stable video. We are going to do all of this in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Open a new project, rename it, and in the media pool right-click Import Media. Select your file and drag to the timeline. You can collapse the media pool so you will have more workspace. Let's review some of this shaky footage. This footage is rough because it's filmed with a phone while walking on the mountain, and the result is that the footage is jumping up and down, making the viewer dizzy and not focus in our subject. Let's fix this using DaVinci Resolve built-in stabilization feature. Navigate all the way to the right side in the inspector and you will find stabilization. If it's off, just turn it on and press on it to expand it. First is the mode. Over here we have three options. The first one is perspective, next one is similarity, and the last one is translation. Each of them use different type of algorithm to try to stabilize your footage. Different modes will have different results. So let's try all of them together. Next one is camera lock toggle button. This one is best to use if you want to achieve a tripod stabilization mode, because there will be no movement whatsoever. And if you toggle this option on, there's no changing on the other options down below, they are disabled. Stabilizing algorithms are going to distort our image, and on the sides there will be black edges around your frame. To avoid this, make sure the zoom toggle is checked. This feature will zoom slightly to eliminate all the black edges around your footage. Let's start testing the three modes and see which one works the best for our footage. Let's start with perspective and click stabilize. In a couple of seconds it will be done. So let's review it. Wow, this is great, only with one click, but let's give it a chance to the other two modes. Now, similarity. Stabilize. Okay, this is good, but it's not great because you can see some wobbling at the background. And now let's give it a chance to the last option. Stabilize. And I think we should stick with the perspective because the first option was the best one. Okay, now this look much better. The camera movement is so smooth. I'm so amazed with this feature. Instead of bringing a gimbal to the mountains, you can imitate the same look with only one button. Let me know down in the comments which DaVinci Resolve tutorial you would love to see next.